Alrighty guys, let's check out all my volunteer plants. So here's my first one. This is volunteer tomato plant, and they're either pink egg Thai. I don't think they're pink egg though, they don't have the shape quite. They could be the PB, Principal Borgnine. I know that's not what it's called. That's what I like to call it. These are planted. This is a little volunteer. I'm guessing it's probably from these ones, which will be nice. So I will let it get a little bigger, and then I will move it to a new spot. These 4 tomato plants, all volunteers. This one's really like, wow. This one's doing well. Doing well. Doing well. What I like about it, look at the size of the stem. Try and... That doesn't really mean much. This one's doing okay. It had a rough start. It was a really little one. It's much better. Where are the other volunteers? Oh, here we go. This is the pink Thai egg volunteer. Still got plenty on here, but they're just getting weighted down. So many. But some I'll pick soon. Another volunteer. Beautiful, massive, thick, bushy tomato. I've let this go here. I've got a little volunteer potato. We'll just see what happens with this. I'm just letting it go. Now, do I have any other volunteers? Well, I've got all these random volunteer tomato plants growing in with my rosemary. So, I mean, they are volunteers, but I haven't decided yet if I'm going to move them anywhere else, because, I mean, I have plenty of tomato plants. I don't know how many, like 16 or something. That's enough. Another volunteer. This one, this looks like a pink Thai egg as well, from the size and the shape. Let's see. Oh yeah, more volunteers. Mostly tomato plants. Now this one's looking good. Could be a mini Roma. I'm not really sure. Just because these are a bit too big for the egg, pink Thai egg. So they're not cherry, just with the shape's not quite right. Another volunteer. Very bushy. Have a look here. Wouldn't be any volunteers here. All these potatoes I've planted. Let's have a look. I don't think I showed you this one. This is another volunteer tomato plant. I have not been on top of this one to prune it. It's just going every which way but loose. So I think that's it for the volunteer plants. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. While I'm here, some of my capsicum, which I think in other countries they're called bell peppers or sweet peppers, I guess, but we call them capsicum. Excellent.